Hi, I'm Jason, the principal of iChoice. Thanks for watching. I've run iChoice for about 6 years, before which time I worked for 4 banks over 14 or 15 years. So this segment's on home loans. What are you looking for when it comes to a home loan, and how can a mortgage broker help you find the best financial package? I call it a package because it's really sorting out your whole financial situation. It's not one loan with one interest rate. It takes into account your personal preferences, taxation strategy, whether your home might become an investment property. It's not rocket science, but there are about, my fact find sheet when I sit down with a client is only 1 page, but it's important to get it right. And I'd say 19 out of 20 people are literally throwing money away every month because they don't have the structure down pat. But look, before we even get to that, I'd call the process of going through an interview to find the most appropriate home loan A, B, C. A being which bank or lender is actually going to be able to approve what you want. There's no point me tabling the interest rate of 10 different banks if only 3 of them are going to approve what you want and how you want it. B would be best structure. This is the big, enormous part, and we're dealing with someone really experienced. It could save you an enormous amount of money. C, of course, is cost comparison. So a lot of people would understand that mortgage brokers have access to unpublished interest rates and can certainly get you the best deal. There's 3 costs we really look at. First, the establishment fees, legal fees, valuation fees. I like to call them setup costs. How much does it cost you to get into the loan in total, to the dollar? The second cost is the ongoing fees. They normally come in either monthly fees or annual fees, depending if you go on a basic kind of product or more of a packaged product. And of course, the interest rate. And then there's a whole lot of things to consider there, whether it's variable or fixed. But coming back to B, the best structure, that's where you're going to hear mortgage brokers ask you questions about what your future intentions are. Who's going to work, who's not going to be working in 5 years. If you're buying a property, whose name do you put it in? If you're buying in a company, how do you structure it? Do you use a family trust? Do you have dual offset accounts, or do you just have one offset account? Do you keep your lending with one bank, or do you split it up on purpose? There's a whole range of things about best structure, and I think that's where you're going to get the most value out of a really top-notch mortgage broker.